Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Elsa Itangbaoy. I am 43 years old. I am married. I have 4 children. Their ages is 23, 22, 15, and 3 years old. I am caregiver graduated. I have work experience in Kuwait 2014 to 2016 and also in Hong Kong. I have finished contract. I have reference letter from my employer. My main duties is washing the clothes, cleaning, ironing, car washing, and cooking. Taking care of baby, bring the school and pick up. Gardening and take care of cat. I am trustworthy person. I am hardworking and I am willing to learn. I hope that I will be qualified to be your next helper. Thank you and God bless.